Alex here, and in this quick video I'm going to show you just how easy it is to upload your design catalog from Revit to Skema. Now first things first, once you make sure you have all your model groups formatted and ready to be uploaded from Revit into Skema, all you need to do is go to the top of your Revit screen, and if you have the Skema plugin downloaded, you'll select the Skema tab up top. And I can simply just go in, start creating a new catalog, and then let Skema read the information and create the catalog for me. Now when you see all the names of your model groups created into your design catalog, you can simply create the catalog button and let Skema do its thing. Now that the catalog is successfully uploaded, let's pop over to Skema and check it out. Your design catalog is officially in Skema and ready to be used on new projects. Notice that all the names of your design catalog elements are the same names as the model groups from Revit. This is just to maintain consistency throughout the process. And you'll also notice that each design element has a certain classification. Now here's a little pro tip: if you have a design catalog element and there isn't a classification that you want to put into it, you can simply create your own custom space use classification for any type of model group or design element you want to upload to Skema. Skema design catalogs are a super easy way to reuse the work you've already done and get a head start on your next design.